Greetings, and welcome to the heart of the northwest of England, the charming town of Altrincham. Famous for its bustling markets, beautiful parks, and of course its unique climatic conditions and architectural styles that truly make it one of a kind. In Altrincham, the architecture is a delightful blend of Victorian and Edwardian styles, with roofs designed to complement these styles. These roofs, while visually appealing, are often subjected to the town's unpredictable weather, which ranges from frequent rain to the occasional snowfall, and even strong winds. This weather not only adds character to our town, but also certain challenges for our roofs. Rain, the most frequent visitor to Altrincham, can lead to water damage and leaks in roofs. Over time, continuous exposure to rain can cause roof materials to deteriorate, leading to leaks that can damage your home's interior. Snow, although less frequent, can be equally problematic. The weight of accumulated snow can stress the roof structure, leading to potential damage. And when the snow melts, it can lead to water damage similar to that caused by rain. Strong winds, another character of Altrincham's weather, can cause fallen branches to damage roofs, leading to potential leaks and structural damage. And let's not forget moss growth, a common issue in damp climates. Moss can trap moisture against the roof surface, accelerating wear and potentially causing water damage. But worry not, for every problem, there is a solution. Identifying these signs of roof damage early can save you from costly repairs in the future. So if you notice any signs of leaks, water damage, fallen branches on your roof, or moss growth, it's time to call in the experts. And who better to trust with your roof than those who understand Altrincham's unique climate and architecture? Local expertise is invaluable in addressing these issues effectively and efficiently. So don't wait for small problems to turn into big issues. Schedule a consultation today for your roof repair or replacement needs. After all, your home deserves the best care and protection against Altrincham's unique weather conditions. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, a well-maintained roof is key to a safe and comfortable home.